This is our home on Upsal that we'll be seeing. Great front gardens. A little pathway out to the back. Nice side yard. So we'll go into the front here. Pretty front porch. Older. Masonry here looks pretty good. Lovely view all the way through everybody's front porches. Really stately homes on this block of Upsal. Let's see, I think this is actually your drive. Almost 100% sure of that there's a driveway. Yes, that's correct. Pyracantha on the front. Metal, like Larson storm door. Original wood floors that could use a refinishing. So it's a nice little vestibule. Dining room. Nice height to the windows. Coat closet. A little swinging, showy swinging door leading to the kitchen. Terracotta type tile. Stainless forged countertop. Looks like a navy maybe in the backsplash. Little seating area, work area. Back deck and backyard. Nice little porch. Or not, so double check that. Let's see. They are hidden behind that tile splash there. Okay. Deck. Quite a large backyard. Really special. Looks like there was a fountain or pond there. Garden beds. Let's see if the key works. This guy. Here's your back garden. Really amazing. A little shed. Doubling as an art studio. There's electricity here. The old windows. New roof and framing for the windows. So that's pretty great. There's nice little pavers. Courtyard outdoor fireplace. Pretty great. It's really great, actually. Love that. This is your neighbor. Second shed. Sliding door. It's not closed, there's missing glass on that one. Looks like it's also electrified, which is good for plug-in battery powered lawn equipment. Get this lot closed up a little better if I can. I'll definitely be editing this video. There we go. Or maybe I won't. Hammock. Yeah, what a really pretty piece of property. This is the home. Since we're out here, we might as well do the side yard. Little birdhouses are fun. Definitely a bird lover's paradise here. Really large limelight hydrangea. There's a fig. Comes with your very own fig, unless they're taking it. More hydrangeas, hostas, lilies. Okay. Looks like a black locust. All right. Let's see the upstairs. Save the basement for last. Okay. Cute. Okay. This is the first bedroom. Wow. All the built-ins. View of the side yard, gets a lot of light. To the street. Great. View of the backyard. There's damage there. Great little office space. Regular size closet. Mechanicals. Pretty large bedroom. Looking at the front of the house. Closet here. And there. Yeah, all the rooms get really good light. Okay. And then we go up again. To what they turned into the primary suite. Nice, lots of little built-in cabinets. Silver coated the deck. Gutters look a little rough, maybe. That's a great window. Let's get a little detail of that. Love the cat painting. It's phenomenal. Great reading light. Wow, the windows are pointed. That's so great. Oh well, I could use some work. Okay. Big house, 1.5 baths. Okay, got all the lights. And we'll do the basement real quick. Nice vantage point. Basement. Big. Furnace pretty regularly serviced. Washer, dryer, washer and dryer. This goes out, I believe. Yeah. Oh, it's on a track. Go figure. Okay. I don't know how that works, but I never get that back in. I will try that later. Like the whole thing's shifted. Come on, over with me. Fine. I'll have to get it when I turn this off. This is under this. No, just storage. There's our half bath. Well, I mean, technically, it's a half bath. Yeah, so, I mean, it's old, it's fabulous, but, and I don't think it needs exactly that much work, but it will always need work. It's just of that age. So, they've taken pretty good care of it, it looks like, for the most part. Yeah. Tough decision between this and a newer home.